Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my Children's Apparel Store Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'm going to introduce you all to my Word document as well as the Excel file. And the Word document is the actual business plan template, and the Excel file is the financial model. So I'll introduce you all to that information, show you what's included, and then at the end of the day, we'll wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is my Children's Apparel Store Business Plan template. So if and when you do purchase my Children's Apparel Store Business Plan template, it does come with a Word document, which includes the actual business plan template, and then also an Excel file that again includes the financial model. So when you do open up the Word document, you are going to be greeted with the title page. On this title page, most of my clients are going to get rid of the yellow writing, which is going to be your children's apparel store, and they'll typically put their logo and then keep underneath the business plan. The second page is going to be your table of contents. Once you add a little bit of meat to the bone, you expand your business plan, you make it yours, you put your content in there. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to the table of contents, click on the table of contents, click on update table, click on update entire table, click on OK, and then all the headers and all of the page numbers will update accordingly. Your next section is going to be your executive summary section. In the executive summary, anywhere where you see yellow throughout the business plan, I do recommend you read it carefully, make sure it pertains to your business. Any place that has parentheses around the words or the sentence, I do recommend you change that information out to better align with your business. So in the executive summary, you're going to find the children's apparel summary. You'll find the target market, financial highlights, this information. Once you put in your information into the financial model, and then you can extrapolate the revenues and such. Next section is going to be your funding request. And here, again, it's just going to be how much money do you need to get the party started, terms you're expecting, interest rates you're expecting. The second section is going to be your company description. In the company description, again, we go ahead and have your children's apparel summary right here. This is an area where you're going to be able to describe the products and services you're going to be selling. Next is going to be your competitive advantage. What are you going to do better than everybody else? Primary target market, pricing strategy. I've got a spot here for your hours of operation, description of your location, size, and how it's going to operate, what it's going to look like. And then the rounding out this section is going to be your business objectives and timeline. And this is just going to tell the reader where you're going to be or your thoughts as to what you want to accomplish in the first 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. The next section is industry analysis. In the industry analysis, what I do is I do have a subscription to IBIS World. IBIS World is the industry leader in industry research. And so what I do is I go to their report, I extrapolate important information, summarize it, and then update my industry research according to what I find, as well as other research. SWOT analysis, this is your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. Here is a smart art form. For the smart art, what you'll do is you just go ahead and click on the smart art, then you go ahead and click on the arrow, and then anywhere you see bullet points, you can go ahead and change out that information with your information. Next is going to be your organizational structure. For the organizational structure, it is broken into two components, which is your ownership and your organizational chart. So again, anywhere in yellow, update that information. Organizational chart, click on it, click on arrow. And the bullet points, you just update that information as you needed. Next section is going to be the marketing section. For the marketing section, I give you a starting point for your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. So just use this as a foundation and go buck wild and have fun with it. Next section is going to be a funding request. This tells a reader how much money do you need to get this party started, the term you're looking for the loan, interest rates expected for a range, and then other information that's regarding your funding needs. Next section is going to be financial projections. Financial projections are covered in the financial model. I'll talk about that in just a minute. I'll give you an example of what it looks like. But for the financial projections, first year profit and loss, it does cover 12 months, month 1 through month 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3. Then we got 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then finally, our pro forma income statement, year 1 through 5, and this is updated annually. And it's going to give you a summary of your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits. All right, so that rounds out the that rounds out the business plan template version, the Word version document. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Excel financial model. So for the Excel financial model, once you open it up, it does have 4 tabs. That's your information page, your projections. This is just a summary of your business plan, your financial standings, profit and loss statements, and again, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, and so on. And then also your income statement as well. Now, all of your changes are going to be made on the information page. So when you make the changes, and you can make the changes anywhere in the darker color blue cells. So when you make those changes, your projections, your profit and loss for year 1, and your income statement will update accordingly. And you can make changes to the daily sales, the labor, startup cost, make changes to your fixed monthly costs, your miscellaneous information, your growth rates, and then your loan information as well. So again, anytime you update this information, it'll update your profit and loss, and it'll update your income statement. And then once you're done, you just simply copy the income statement or whatever financial statement you need to copy it, and then just paste it into the Word document, and then you'll be set, ready to go. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.